Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Sensei. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy you're here with us today. This is a safe place to learn English. You don't need perfect English here. You just need to listen, try, and enjoy the conversation.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack. And yes, I'm learning too. Sometimes I feel nervous speaking English, especially in real places like restaurants. So if you feel the same, you're not alone.
That's right, Jack. Many learners feel nervous when they talk about food in English. Ordering food, eating at a restaurant, talking to a waiter, choosing from a menu. Today, we will practice this together, slowly and calmly.
Yes, today's topic is very useful. We are talking about food, ordering food, eating food, real life English.
Exactly. Today's episode is called Let's Talk About Food, Ordering and Eating in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners, a 1 and a 2 level. Simple words, simple sentences, real conversation.
Before we start, friends, please take one small moment. If you like this podcast, like the video, subscribe to English Sensei, and share it with a friend who is learning English. It really helps the channel.
Thank you so much. Now, relax, take a breath, and let's start. Okay, Jack, let's imagine something. You are hungry. You go to a restaurant, you sit at a table. A waiter comes to you. This is a very common situation.
Yes, and this is the scary part for me, because the waiter speaks English, and I think, oh no, what should I say?
That feeling is very normal. Many learners feel this. But the good news is, you don't need many words. You just need a few simple phrases.
That sounds good. Simple is good.
Very good. So let's start at the beginning. You walk into a restaurant. You sit down. The waiter comes and says something like, hello, or hi, or good evening.
And what do I say?
You can say the same thing. You can say, hello, or hi, or good evening. That's enough. Then the waiter often asks a question. The waiter may say, are you ready to order? Or, can I take your order?
Ah, yes, I hear that a lot. Can I take your order?
Yes, let's practice this phrase together. Listen first. Can I take your order? Now, Jack, you say it.
Can I take your order?
Perfect. And friends listening at home, please say it out loud too, even if you are alone. Speaking out loud helps your brain.
Okay, but what if I'm not ready?
Very good question. If you are not ready, you can say, not yet, or just a moment, please, or I need a little time.
So I can say, not yet. I need a little time.
Exactly. That is polite and clear. Now let's imagine you are ready. You look at the menu. You choose food. When you are ready to order, you can start with a very simple phrase. You can say, I would like. This is one of the most useful phrases in English.
I would like, okay, like, I would like pizza.
Yes, perfect. I would like pizza. Or, I would like a burger. Or, I would like chicken and rice. Very simple.
Sometimes I hear people say, I want.
That's true. You can say, I want, and people will understand you. But I would like sounds more polite. In restaurants, polite English is very common.
So better to say, I would like.
Yes. Now let's practice together. Friends, listen and repeat after Jack. Jack, say, I would like a sandwich.
I would like a sandwich.
Very good. Now another one. I would like some water.
I would like some water.
Excellent. Friends, say it with us. I would like some water. Good job. Now, let's talk about drinks. The waiter may ask, what would you like to drink? Or simply, something to drink?
And I can say, water.
Yes. Or, I would like water. Or, just water, please.
Oh, please. That's important.
Yes. Please is a small word, but it makes your English sound kind and polite. You can add it at the end. I would like water, please.
I like that. It feels friendly.
Exactly. Now let's try a small story. Jack, imagine you're at a small restaurant. You sit down, the waiter comes. I will be the waiter. You are you.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. Let's try. Hello, can I take your order?
Yes, I would like chicken.
Very good. Anything to drink?
Yes, I would like water, please.
Perfect. You did great.
Really? That was it?
Yes, that's all you need. You don't need long sentences. Short and clear is perfect.
That makes me feel better.
Good. That's our goal, to make you feel confident.
But Emily, sometimes I make mistakes. I say the wrong word, or I forget a word.
That's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Really?
Yes. And in restaurants, people are usually patient. They want to help you. The most important thing is communication, not perfection.
So if I say something wrong, it's okay?
Yes. For example, if you say, I like water, instead of, I would like water, the waiter will still understand you.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yes. Don't be afraid. Fear stops learning. Trying helps learning. Now, let's move to the next part. You get your food. You start eating. Sometimes the waiter comes back and asks, how is the food?
Ah, yes. I hear that too. How is the food?
This is a very friendly question. You can answer with simple words. You can say, it's good, or it's very good, or it's delicious.
Delicious sounds like a big word.
It sounds big, but it's very common. It just means the food tastes very good.
Okay, so I can say, it's delicious.
Yes. Let's practice. Friends, repeat with us. It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Great job. You can also say, it's nice, or I like it. Now, let's try another small story. This time, there is a small problem. Jack, you get your food, but something is not right.
Oh no, that happens sometimes.
Yes, but we can handle it politely. The waiter asks, how is the food?
Uh, it's good, but it's cold.
That's okay. You did well. You can say, sorry, it's cold, or sorry, this is cold.
So I can say sorry even if it's not my fault?
Yes, in English, we often say sorry to be polite. It doesn't mean you did something wrong.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
Many learners don't know that, and that's okay. Now, friends, it's your turn. Let's practice together. Please listen and repeat out loud. I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Very good. Now this one. How is the food?
How is the food?
Excellent. And one more. It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Great job. Now, think about this question. What food do you like? In your mind, say one sentence. I would like. Take a moment. Say it out loud if you can.
You're doing great. Even thinking in English is practice.
Okay, friends, let's slowly wrap up today's lesson. Today, we talked about food. We practiced ordering food in English. We learned simple phrases like, I would like, can I take your order? How is the food? And it's delicious.
We also learned that mistakes are okay. You don't need perfect English. You just need to try.
Exactly. For your small practice today, here is a very easy task. Write one sentence or say one sentence. I would like, and add your favorite food.
And if you want, share your sentence in the comments. What food would you like?
Yes, that is our question for you. What food would you like? Please write it in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You are doing great. Keep going. Little steps every day. We believe in you.
Goodbye for now. See you in the next English Sensei episode.